friend, welcome back to Kotlin tutorial. In this video, we'll introduce functions. Okay, so we know we can put our code snippet here, right? To run it, for example, print line. Thank you, my dear friends, like that. So we can run it by clicking here. And we already set up the filter, right, for the output of logcat. So we can see it here. This right I means info. Okay, so let's try our first function like that, right? Say hello. Okay, so inside this function we will put print line. Hello friends. Okay, now we can put a function call under this one, right? So we can call the function by saying that. Okay, now that's clear, this one, and run again. Thank you, my dear friends, right? Hello friends. So this function call, right, this is, you see, this is a global function. It's not inside any like class. So there's no parameter here, no return type. Okay, we don't return anything, we just do something here. Okay, now next one, we can put some info. Okay, by the way, if we don't put any return type here, it means it's actually unit. Okay, that's something special in Kotlin. The reason is it has something to do with generic. We'll introduce later, right? So this is like the void. No, it's not, but it means we don't return something significant. Okay, let's run it. We'll get the same thing. Clear? Yeah, if we run again, the output will be appended to the end. So okay, cool. Now clear that. So we don't need to put it here, but by default is the return type is something called unit, which has something to do with generic. Okay. Now if we want to say hello to somebody, right, we can put like that. So we can put a string here. String is the system provided class. You see here, class. So we can hello, then we can put our string template, right, 2. Okay, 2 is this parameter. Now we can call it here. Hello, say hello. Yeah, oh no, so 2. So hello to let's see, hello. Okay, enter. Okay, oh, we can just put like to myself, Kotlin006. Okay, now let's run it. Hello Kotlin006, right? We can replace this one with different thing here. Yeah, that so this function can be now is flexible, right? It can accept some like argument here. This is called an argument, right? The argument will be passed to this formal parameter. Okay, now let's do some math work. Okay, delete that. So let's define another function here, global one. Let's do function like add a sum of number m and n. Okay, and now we need to return an integer, right? So we can return m plus n, right? Now we can call the function here. So we'll print the line, call the function, right? Sum equals, now we can put this, put the expression here inside this string template, okay? A function called sum of m, maybe 3, and n 7. So hopefully we can see the output of 10. Run it. Yeah, sum equals 10, right? And a cool thing is if this one is a single line, right? I think we don't need the return. Does it work? No, it doesn't compile. And let's try it. Run it. Yeah, it complains. So it doesn't compile. Let's go back to here. But we can do, right? We can just put big, if it's a single line, we can just use equal. So we can remove this one. So the syntax of Kotlin can be very concise and elegant. So this function definition becomes like something like that. Cool. Let's run it. And change this one to 5. Okay, sum equals that, right? And now let's play this similar thing in let's stop that, and let's switch to our Kotlin repo here, repo. So let's clear up this one, clear all. So we can define a function like sum or product, okay? Product of x int and y int will return an int and equals x times y, right? Now that's print. So here we can use just print. The function call is product of 3 and 7. Okay. Now command enter. Haha. So if you see something like that, don't worry, no panic, don't panic. So we can right click and clear all next time. Oh, can we undo? Oh, when I undo, it puts back. Okay, so command Z. Okay, now command return. Yes, right, it works. The output is 21. That's great. So we have 2 different places to try our code snippet, right? This is like a global function, right? You can define it outside of any class, and like here, right? A global is in global scope, so we can call it like that. And what if we defined 2 of them? So we can copy like that, right? Excuse me. And let's define another one. Sum of x, y, and return. I think we don't need the return type because the Kotlin compiler, right, can infer that information by that, right? It's even shorter. Okay, now let's try it. Print sum of 3 and 7, right, plus product of 3 and 7. Let's try that. Command enter. 31 is it? This is 10. 3 plus 7, and here is 21. Yeah, 10 plus 21 is 31. Cool. That's it. Thank you for watching. See you